Welcome to today's update. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the SRP price chart because right now we are seeing SRP sitting at a major key level of support. And if we should break below this level right here, we are going to see SRP going into much more lower prices. But looking at the bright side of things, currently we are flashing a signal that gave us the exact bottom of SRP bear market back in 2022. Taking a look at the RSI now. The last time we saw the RSI hitting this major oversold level was back in 2022 bear market, and what we saw next was a major consolidation that signaled the bottom of the bear market of SRP, and what we saw next was a major rally to the upside. This gave us about 593% to the upside. Right now we are yet again at this level, testing the level, and if we are to repeat the same price action we saw in 2022, this is going to put SRP into much more higher prices. And as long as we hold firmly above this level right here, the $1.28 to $1.51, we are definitely going to see SRP going into much more higher prices very soon, because right now we are looking very, very bullish, and we are flashing the bullish signal we saw back in 2022. And also comparing the SRP price chart here with the BTC pair, back in December 2024 to June 2025, we saw SRP consolidated inside this descending channel, and after a while we saw a major breakout from the SRP, and this put us into a major rally that sent us into a major rally of about 49% to the upside against the BTC pair. And right now we are seeing the same signal flashing here in this bear market, and if we are to get the same rally of the 49%, we are going to see SRP going into much more higher prices, if not the all-time high. Now if you compare this price action, this major rally here, to the USDT pair, the major rally we saw here against the BTC pair gave us about 86% to the upside against the USDT pair. So if we are to see the major breakout and the 86% against the USDT pair here, we are going to see SRP moving to this level right here, the $2.57, and SRP being at $2.57, this is going to be a major pivot that is going to push us into a new all-time high, because right now the only major key level of resistance that is holding SRP right now is this level right here, the $1.84 to $1.94. And if we can get a major breakout from the price chart here against BTC, we are definitely going to break above this level of resistance, which is going to put us into much more higher prices. Right now on the daily time frame here, we are still holding firmly this key level of support, which I mentioned a while ago, $1.31 here on the daily time frame to $1.41. And if we are to break below this level right here, we are going to see the next level of support sitting at $1.06 to 99 cents. So this is what we currently have here on the SRP price chart, but so far so good. We have been holding firmly at this level, and this is a good signal that yes, we might be having the exact bottom here on the SRP price chart. And also considering the amount of inflow that is currently coming into the SRP ETF, we are looking very, very bullish for the long term, because in the past 24 hours we have seen $893,000 being deposited into the SRP ETF. And taking a look at the last 48 hours, we have also seen $977,000 being deposited into the Bitcoin ETF. As you can see, taking a look at the history back here, we have seen lots and a lot of inflow into the SRP ETF. Right now, the total amount of inflow into the SRP ETF is sitting at $537 million, and this is huge. If this inflow right now should reflect on the price chart, I believe we are definitely going to see SRP going into much more higher prices. And with this setup right here that is about to play out, SRP is going to do well in this bull market. And considering this bullish signal here that is currently flashing here on the weekly time frame, the RSI being at the oversold level, we are due for a major rally. What we just need from SRP is to hold firmly this level right here on the weekly time frame, the $1.28 to $1.51. If we can hold this level firmly, then a Immediately we saw the bottom of BTC, we are going to see a major rally from XRP right here. And also with the clarity B that is currently coming in the next few months, we are going to see a major rally from XRP and from the altcoin market, because this is going to change how institutions and investors sees the crypto market. This is going to define the crypto market and put the crypto market in a better framework. So XRP right now is looking really solid in this bear market. What we just need right now is the bottom formation from BTC, and once BTC begins to rally, we are going to see XRP outperforming major altcoins, because right now we are setting the level here on the BTC pair, and also here on the ETF we are having a major inflow. And if we also take a look at this level here, we are be holding firmly above this level. So right now XRP is looking solid. Like I said, what we need to do is to hold firmly above this key level of support right here on the daily time frame, which I said $1.31 to $1.41, while on the weekly time frame here we have to hold firmly above this level right here. If we see a weekly candle closing below this major level right here, the $1.28, we are going to invalidate this major bullish setup right here. But right now XRP is doing a very good job, because we are holding firmly above this level. And if we are to get a major rally right now, the next key level of support that we are going to struggle at is sitting at this level right here on the daily time frame, the $1.84 to $1.85. And if we can get a break out of this level, this level right here, then the next key level of support that we are going to struggle at is sitting at this level, the $2.76 to $2.86. So this is what we currently have on the XRP price chart. What we need to do is to hold firmly above this key level of support here on the daily, and also here on the weekly time frame, and we are definitely going to see a major rally from the XRP price chart. So that is that, and this is what we currently have here on the XRP price chart. Like I said, what we need to hope for right now is to see BTC getting its bottom, and from there we can see XRP rallying into much more higher prices. And if you find this video very useful, make sure you hit up the likes button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, so that next time when I make a new update, you will definitely be notified. And also let me know in the comments what you think about this price chart right here. Are we going to see a major dump from XRP from this level, or we are definitely going to see a major rally from this level?